Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, you guys, Kunwar from Kunwarlab.com. Today, we are going to learn to create an Gmail account. You know, the Gmail address is very useful in our daily social life. If you want to create an account like Facebook, Twitter, then you first need to provide an email address so you can easily sign up into them. Or if you are using the smartphones like Android smartphones, then you also have to use an email address where Gmail is very useful there, so you can access all the features of Android phone. If you are working on office or any companies, then you also have to provide an email address, so you can use this email address to flow the information easily. If you face any problems while creating the email address, then you can leave the comment below in the comment section. I'll try to solve that problem. So let's start the process. First of all, open the browser. You can use any browser and search Gmail in the search engine. You can click the first option from here. Okay, you can see here and create an account option. Just click that option. Okay guys, you can see here lots of informations are needed. Just you have to fill that option. Okay, first name. I'm creating an example Gmail account, so and you also have to create a password from here. You have to use at least 8 character from here to make the secure password. You can mix the letter, numbers and symbols. So I'm creating the secure password. Please mix the characters to make the secure. Okay, after creating the password, just click next. Gmail is asking for the verifying your phone number. This is very important for your security region. Google wants to make sure it is really you, so please verify that. 43 Okay, after entering the verification code, click verify. After verification, it is asking to enter and recovery email address. If you have any email address, then you can enter here for security reason. And here you have to provide your date of birth. Please fill the secure information. If you want to recover your account and later, then you have to fill that information. So it is very important to enter and correct information. Type your gender and click next. Okay, click yes, I am in, and read the privacy and terms and click I agree. Okay guys, your Gmail account is ready to use. You can see here the inbox. You can compose the mail from here. Okay, your account is ready. Example channel 456 @gmail account is ready to use. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you'll find this video helpful. I'll try to make the videos like this in the future. Please keep watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.